Hello friends, so today I am going to start a new topic called Advanced Organic Synthesis, and I will cover in this topic most of the previous question which is already asked in CSR NET and GATE and other entrance examinations like IISc Bangalore PhD entrance examination, TIFR, like that. So I will try to cover maximum topics, and today I am going to start the Grignard reagent. And basically you can say 1,4 addition versus 1,2 addition. Those reaction I will cover first, then I will cover all other topics. So as you can see, this question is asked in IISc Bangalore 2011. So they have given a alpha beta unsaturated system carbonyl compound. First they have acted with Grignard reagent, phenyl magnesium bromide, then H+. So what will be the correct answer? So they have given 4 options. So you have to give a one answer that will be correct. So as you see, there are 4 options, and you can see this phenyl. In all the options, this phenyl are in this position. Okay, they are not attacking with this position. That is, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, then this is 1, 2, and this is 1, 4. Basically this phenyl magnesium bromide Grignard reagent prefers 1, 2 addition because this is a hard nucleophile and this is a hard electrophilic center, and hard is preferable according to Pearson's hard soft acid base principle. According to that, hard will be react and soft will be react. So as you can see, they have given 4 options. So first I will tell you the answer. The answer is option C. I will draw the mechanism. So this is the reacting partner, that is reactant, and first I will treat it with phenyl magnesium bromide. So phenyl magnesium bromide I will do 1, 2 addition first, 1, 2 addition of Grignard reagent. So I will end up with this OMgBr. This will attack at this position, and OMgBr and phenyl will attack here. So phenyl group. When you do addition of H+, this lone pair of oxygen in conjugation, so water will be eliminated, and after attacking with another water molecule, this positive charge will be neutralized, and with the release of ethanol we will end up with this product. So option C is the correct answer. Now what about other options? Now if you do 1,4 addition, now you can see the mechanism of 1,4 addition. Let me do. So I have done this 1,4 addition of Grignard reagent. 1,4 addition means 1, 2, 3, 4. This position is 4 position. So this phenyl group will attack at this position. This will goes this, and this will open up. So OH will be there, and double bond will be here, and pH will be attacked at this position, 4 position. Now this is ketoenol tetomerism. You can see this OH group will be converted into this keto group. Now with the elimination of ethanol, you can end up with the same product, that is C. Now how to know which is the correct mechanism? Because both the mechanism giving us the product C. Yes, we are not bothering about the answer. We are bothering about the mechanism, which is the correct mechanism. So according to me, and if you know that kinetically more favorable, that is 1, 2 addition rather than the 1, 4 addition in case of Grignard reagent. As you can already, I have mentioned, hard and soft. They will react. Hard center will prefer to hard and soft center will prefer to soft. It is because the R group attached to magnesium in Grignard reagent hard nucleophile and prefers carbonyl carbon with considerable positive charge, that is hard electrophile. Now come to the next question. The most appropriate set of reagent for carrying out the following conversion. So as you can see, this is also alpha beta unsaturated ketones, and I have to take one reagent so that this will convert into this system. So what will be that reagent? So as if now you can see, this is hard nucleophile, this is also hard nucleophile, but this is Gilman's reagent. If you do not aware of this Gilman's reagent, you can read or Google it. So you can read about this Gilman reagent. This is basically soft nucleophile, not hard nucleophile. For this moment, you just remember that this is soft nucleophile and this is hard nucleophile. So soft will not prefer 1,2 addition, they will prefer 1,4 addition. Now I will give you the mechanism and answer of this question. Option D is the correct answer. So first, HCl, as you can see, this is in conjugation and this will form a enolate and chloride will attack, and this will give this product, and that is tautomerization will take place, and this alcohol will converted into this ketone. Then ethyl magnesium bromide, the nucleophile, strong nucleophile will attack strong electrophilic center, this carbonyl carbon, and after acidic workup we will end up with the desired product. Now there is a possibility that this ethyl will attack at this position also, and chlorine will eliminate, and we have some side product. But if you see any other reaction, you will not with this we will not end up with this product. That's why option D is the correct answer. Now I will show you the option A and option C, which will be actually these two have same mechanism. So I will take this one of this, that is option A I will take. I will explain you. Okay, now you can see this 1,4 alpha beta unsaturated compound when acted with this Grignard reagent, and after acidic workup you will end up with this carbocation, and this carbocation, you can see this is a allylic carbocation. So this double bond will be conjugation with this carbocation, and we will end up with this carbocation. So both are carbocations, and after acting with Cl negative, they will end up with these two products. So how we know that which is the major product? As you can see, whenever there is attack, the nucleophile prefers with less hindered side, and as you can see, this is a tertiary carbocation, so there are number of groups are present, so the attack will be somewhat different, somewhat difficult, and here the attack will be somewhat easier. So that's why this is the major product and this is the minor product. So 1,2 addition occurs with Grignard reagent, since the ethyl group attached to magnesium has considerable positive charge and is hard nucleophile, and it prefers to second carbon, attack to second carbon, that is hard electrophile. In reaction of allylic alcohol with HCl, Cl prefers to attack allyl carbon from less hindered end, and hence the product is 1-chloro, that is 1-chloro, 3-methyl and 2-pentene, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentene. So this is this much information for this video. I will come with more examples in 1,4 and 1,2 addition or Grignard reagent or Gilman reagent in the next video. So thank you, and please subscribe and like this video and share with your friends. Thank you.